You know what's crazy? I made $225 fixing a Corolla tail light. The part cost $50. The client paid $275 total. Why? Because most people don't know how simple it is. One light, one small dent, less than 30 minutes of work. You could do this too and keep that money in your pocket or turn it into income. People pay for what they don't know. In our Garage Truth community, we teach you step by step. Real repairs, real skills, real money. Join today for 7 months and start fixing, saving, and earning. Garage Truth. Turn your skills into freedom.